Rain has an ancient and poetic story that began billions of years ago, right here on our own planet Earth. This story is not just about water falling from the sky, but about the very essence of life and the transformation of our planet. In its early days, Earth was a hot, volcanic, and uninhabitable place, with temperatures soaring and volcanic eruptions being a common sight. The surface was a chaotic landscape of molten rock and fiery eruptions, a far cry from the blue and green planet we know today. With molten rock covering its surface, the Earth was a hostile environment. There were no oceans, no rivers, and certainly no rain. The air was thick with gases, and the ground was a seething mass of lava flows. Over time, as it cooled, water vapor trapped within the planet started to escape and condense in the atmosphere. This process was slow and gradual, but it marked the beginning of a monumental change. The steam and water vapor began to form clouds, and these clouds eventually led to the first rains. These rains were the first steps towards creating the oceans and rivers, and ultimately, the conditions necessary for life to begin. This vapor formed clouds that grew heavy and dense until finally, the first raindrops began to fall. These initial drops were the harbingers of a monumental transformation. The sky, once clear and blue, turned dark and ominous as the clouds gathered strength. The air was thick with anticipation, and the world below waited in silence. When the first raindrops hit the ground, it was as if the earth itself sighed in relief. The parched land eagerly absorbed the moisture, and the cycle of life began anew. The rain wasn't like the gentle showers we know today. It was a torrential, continuous downpour that lasted for millions of years. Imagine a world where the rain never stopped, where the sound of raindrops hitting the ground was a constant symphony. This relentless rain reshaped the landscape, carving out valleys and canyons and eroding mountains. It was a force of nature that could not be tamed, a reminder of the raw power of the elements. The rain was both a destroyer and a creator, washing away the old and making way for the new. This ancient rain filled up Earth's basins, creating oceans, rivers, and lakes that eventually became the cradle of life. These bodies of water were teeming with potential, providing the perfect environment for the first forms of life to emerge. The oceans became vast, mysterious worlds of their own, home to countless species. Rivers and lakes served as lifelines, connecting different ecosystems and allowing life to spread and evolve. The rain had given birth to a vibrant, dynamic planet full of endless possibilities. But rain isn't just a legacy of Earth's early days. It's full of surprising and quirky details. Did you know that no two raindrops are exactly alike? Each one has its own unique shape and size, influenced by the conditions it encounters on its journey to the ground. Rain can also carry with it tiny particles from far-off places, bringing a bit of the world to your doorstep. And let's not forget the smell of rain, that fresh, earthy scent known as petrichor, which is caused by the release of oils from plants and soil. Rain is a reminder of the interconnectedness of all things, a symbol of renewal and growth. It nourishes the land, fills our rivers and lakes, and sustains life in countless ways. So the next time you find yourself caught in a rainstorm, take a moment to appreciate the wonder of it all. For example, did you know that raindrops aren't actually teardrop-shaped? They're more like little hamburger buns, rounded at the top and flattened at the bottom, due to the air pressure they encounter as they fall. In a surprising twist, rain doesn't only exist on Earth. Our solar system is full of rain, though it can be wildly different from what we're used to. On Venus, it rains sulfuric acid, but the heat evaporates it before it even hits the ground. And on Titan, one of Saturn's moons, it rains liquid methane. So next time you're caught in a drizzle, take a moment to pause and truly experience it. Feel the gentle touch of each raindrop as it lands on your skin, listen to the soft patter it makes on the ground, and breathe in the fresh, earthy scent that fills the air. Whether it's a light sprinkle or a heavy downpour, remember that you're witnessing an ancient dance of water. This dance has been performed for billions of years, long before humans walked the earth. It's a cycle that connects the sky to the land, the past to the present, and you to the natural world in a profound way. Imagine the countless generations that have stood where you stand, feeling the same rain on their faces, hearing the same rhythm of drops. This rain has nourished ancient forests, carved out mighty rivers, and shaped the landscapes we see today. It's a reminder of the continuity of life and the enduring power of nature. By simply standing in the rain, you are part of this timeless story, connected to Earth's history and the heavens above in the most beautiful way. This was the first of 5 chapters on rain. Make sure to subscribe to Art of Slow Living for more captivating journeys like this. Each chapter will take you deeper into the wonders of rain, exploring its many forms and the roles it plays in our world. Don't miss out on the next chapter, where we'll delve into the science behind this mesmerizing phenomenon.